everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to chop, store and cook moringa pods or drumsticks. So if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So here I have some drumsticks or moringa pods and I'm slightly scraping off the skin with a sharp knife. Scrape it gently, don't use a scraper or else it will take off the entire skin. You don't need that, you just need to slightly scrape it off so that it doesn't give a raw taste while cooking. Now start at the edges and move towards the center. You just need to do around this much. And then after scraping the skin, you can wash it and cut it into around 1 to 1.5 inches in size. If you want to store it for a long time, you can put it in a Ziploc bag and store it in the freezer, or you can even put it in an airtight container and keep it refrigerated for around 1 week. But it's always better to use the fresh ones. Now to prepare the dish, in a blender I have taken half cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and to that add 1 clove of garlic and half a cup of water. Blend it to a thick paste. Now in a vessel, add some oil and to that add around 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start to splutter, add a handful of curry leaves and 2 to 3 dry red chilies. Add 1 small onion finely chopped and saute it till it's soft and translucent. Add some salt and around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and now you can add the drumsticks. Mix it and into this you can add the paste that we've prepared earlier. Add the coconut, cumin and garlic paste. Now I've just added a little bit of water into the blender jar just to take off the excess from the sides, and I've added it to the moringa. Mix it well and cover and cook it for around 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes you can open it and can see that our dish is ready. It's so healthy and so nutritious and full of vitamins and minerals. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other recipes. Until next time, bye-bye.